Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jaswant Kaur, Executive Director of Dipalaya, and your host for today. I really feel privileged and honored for telecasting this virtual event. I would start the evening with this beautiful quote from Serena Williams. Every woman's success should be an inspiration to another. We are strongest when we cheer each other's on. How true this quote is. Today, we'll be doing exactly what Serena Williams said in this quote. This virtual event is being organized to cheer up those who graduated from our project, designed to equip women on marketable skills in beauty and wellness sector and fashion designing. While we celebrate their achievements, we would want more and more women to join hands with us and venture into new world of empowerment and economic independence. Before we start the main event, let me request Mr. Himanshu Anand, our music teacher, to sing a song to welcome our guests and all those who have logged on to our social media handles for watching this event. Over to you, Himanshu. Ravi, can you please? Yeah. for this fabulous welcome song. Let me introduce you all to Dr. George John, our Chief Executive. Dr. George John is a former Vice Chancellor of Birsa Agriculture University, Ranchi. He also served as Senior Advisor, Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology of the Government of India. He has more than 35 years of professional experience in various national and international organizations as a teacher, scientist, research manager, policymaker, and an institutional builder. I will request Dr. George John to kindly welcome the guest and share his opening remarks.
Good afternoon, everybody. A hearty welcome to this celebration. I would call it a celebration. It's more than a function because it culminates in a happy event of what we did during the last few months. And as we move into a new phase of activity, as the Chinese proverb goes, don't give a man a fish, but teach him how to fish or teach him how to grow fish. The philosophy behind that advice is that help people to learn or acquire a vocation, vocational skills. And that is precisely what this program has been doing. And empowering women has been of special interest to Deepalaya, while we look at all those who are underprivileged, and women have a special place to play, special role. As you look at the literacy rates in Kerala, somebody said, you educate a woman, you educate the entire family. So I believe that the multiplier effect will be seen even in this particular program. I'm not going into the details of the skills that they have acquired and they are going to use, but I'm very confident that they will make a livelihood, and because of their livelihood skills and the vocation that they pursue, there will be many more people, the families that will be benefited. Having said that, let me say that it's my immense pleasure to welcome all of you. First, let me welcome our chief guest, Mr. Rajeshwar Rao. I know that he has more than a heavy and demanding portfolio. I have seen him work in his office and none of his time is with him. Despite that, he was very happy to join us for this celebration. When I told him that Deepalaya, I described the activities of Deepalaya, he was very happy to join us. So a hearty welcome to Mr. Rajeshwar Rao. Can I also welcome Ms. Simrat Bishnoi, Vice President, Corporate Communications, Amway India. Thank you for being with us and gracing the function. We are happy that you are here, and it signifies the support that Amway accords to this program, the importance that Amway accords to this program. Let me also welcome Mrs. Rashmi and Mr. Sushil Pachananda from Amway Direct Seller Leaders. Well, your role is in no way less than any other person here. And we thank you for being present, thank you for sparing your time and participating in this celebration. Let me welcome Ms. Latricia Trice, Senior Corporate Citizenship Specialist Empowerment of Amway Corporate CSR. Thank you for being here. And I'm sure that you will have a bit of advice on what we should do and how we could sharpen the initiative so that the impact is much more than as it is today. I should also welcome Raj Narayan. I should say thank you to Jaswant and all those who have put this program together. I should also say thank you to Tanushri Roy. She's going to say the word of thanks, but I'm saying thank you for being here, and a hearty welcome to you also. With this, I would like to share my happiness with you in participating in this program. And I'm sure that what we have done here, what we are going to do here would mark a milestone in the completion of a program and would also signify a new milestone, that is the inauguration of a new program. So it is rare that in one function you capture these two events, two of those happy events that are there, So that is where we have to be participating in this function. Let me also accord a special word of welcome to Mr. Uday Shankar, CEO, Vishwa Yuva Kendra. Let me thank you, Mr. Uday Shankar. I remember the nice warm email that you sent me some time back. And I said, we look forward to greater collaboration between the two organizations in furthering the mission that we so dearly share. So thank you to all of you for participating. I see there are many others on the screen who are participating. Welcome to all of you, and let us re-resolve to take this thing forward so that we are able to further the mission that we are supposed to be doing. It is tough to be working in the NGO space, having worked in the government for many years, having worked in an international organization for many years. I find that the space in the NGO is different. It is different, it is challenging, but I believe that every challenge has its opportunities. And I've come to understand that it is a challenging space, and what you're doing is simply incredible. I happen to speak to somebody a chartered accountant who does the audits of many NGOs like us. And he said, I'm amazed at the way the NGOs work. They generate money with difficulty, and they do that. And then they enter into a more difficult task of implementing the project. So he had a big thank you for all the NGOs. And let me convey that thanks to you also, because you are also part of this adventure or part of this great mission. With that, let me conclude my words and let me hand you over to Jaswant to take us through the program, this happy function, this celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. George John. You have rightly pointed out towards the need of skill development in view of the fact that unemployment is already on a huge on a rise. Thank you so much, sir. Before we move forward, I would like to briefly explain about the project. As an organization, Dipalya has been working for women's rights for more than 3 decades. While we spoke about rights, we ensured that these women are on their own. We organized them into self-help groups and helped them in setting up micro-enterprises. Over a period of time, our women became so rich that their husbands wanted money from them. This skill development and livelihood initiative provided another avenue to women. It gave an opportunity to achieve something that is of great value in the current market scenario. We often hear from women that they had a dream which remained unfulfilled, either because they were married off or the family members had no resources to help them in achieving these dreams. Dipalya and Amway India came together to bridge this gap. Funded by our CSR partner, Amway India Enterprises, the project aimed at equipping 200 women from the slums of Delhi with skills on fashion designing and beauty wellness. We also partnered with Vishwa Yuva Kendra, providing soft skill training and necessary certification for the course. The course had a unique curriculum, which not only focused around sector-specific skills, but also around nutrition and entrepreneurship. We all might have come across several reports focusing on nutritional deficiency amongst women and children. It mainly happens because of ignorance and illiteracy. That was one reason of including this important component in this course. Equally important was to train women to set up and manage enterprises. The project is certainly unique and was challenging to implement. We had barely set up our centers that the pandemic hit us. Our instructors faced a hard time to suddenly change the way they operated, and so were the students who had never made a video call, forget attending virtual classes. But there is a beginning to everything. The students and the teachers quickly learned to use Google Meet and videos as their learning materials. I feel proud to say that despite the pandemic, we never stopped our classes. I congratulate our instructors who took up this challenge and engaged the students effectively. And I thank Amway India and Vishwa Yuva Kendra for their support to make this project successful. I would like to mention the contribution made by Mr. Raj Narayan, Manager CSR Amway India, who has worked hard with us to make this project a reality from the very beginning of this project. By the end of March 2021, we had 224 students, out of which around 100 have passed. It is certainly not a small achievement, but something to celebrate and commemorate. In line with the spirit of celebration, we now have a small dance performance from one of our students, Asha from Sanjay Colony. Over to you, Ravi. Let's have the dance performance, please. Thank you, Asha. That was an amazing performance. I'm sure everyone would have enjoyed it a lot. I would like to mention that the dress that Asha was wearing has been designed by her. How happy and confident she looks while wearing this dress. It shows the kind of things the students have learned and how proud they feel about it. Moving on, I'm sure many of you would be interested to know how our students and instructors felt being part of this unique initiative. Here you go. I would now request my colleague Ravi Pahuja to please help us in connecting with them. Over to you, Ravi.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम विनीता है। मैं दीपालय स्कूल में फैशन डिजाइनिंग की स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैं दीपालय में आकर काफ़ी कुछ सीखी हूँ। सिलाई में जैसे अच्छे अच्छे डिजाइनर ड्रेस बनाने भी सीखी हूँ और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी हमें मिली है जैसे न्यूट्रिशन, व्यवसाय उद्यमिता। न्यूट्रिशन में हमने सीखा है कि अच्छे खान पान के बारे में, कि हम अच्छे खाना खाकर अपने सेहत को कैसे अच्छे रख सकते हैं और अपने घर वालों को कैसे केयर कर सकते हैं। और व्यवसाय उद्यमिता में सीखा है हमने कि हमें बिजनेस कैसे करना चाहिए, कम पैसे या ज़्यादा पैसे में, और हमें अपना बुटीक खोलना है तो हम कैसे खोल सकते हैं, या हम कहीं जॉब के लिए जा रहे हैं तो हमें इंटरव्यू कैसे देना चाहिए। हमें बहुत सारी बातें सीखने को मिली और मैं दीपाल्या और एमए टीम को दोनों को थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ। नमस्ते।
हेलो, मेरा नाम ज्योति है और मैं दीपाल्या से ब्यूटी कल्चर की स्टूडेंट हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं दीपाल्या और एमवे टीम का धन्यवाद करूँगी जो हमें इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए। दीपाल्या आने के बाद मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दी गई जिसमें हमें मेकअप के बारे में, स्किन्स के बारे में, बिजनेस के बारे में, न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बहुत सी चीज़ें सिखाई गई, जिससे हमें सीखने को मिला और आगे करने को मिला कि चीज़ें कैसे की जाती है। तो मैं दीपाल्या और एमबी टीम का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
मेरा नाम उपासना है, मैं दीपाली फैशन डिजाइनिंग की स्टूडेंट हूँ और पहले हमें कुछ भी नहीं आता था और यहाँ पे आके हमें काफ़ी, पहले हमें कुछ करती रहती थोड़ा बहुत सिलाई कढ़ाई, लेकिन हमें पूरे से अच्छे से नहीं आता था। लेकिन हमने सोचा कि कहीं हमारे आसपास हो संस्था, कुछ संस्थाएं वगैरह, तो हमें कुछ आगे करने का, सीखने को और अच्छे से आ जाए हमें। लेकिन जैसे हमने दीपाली के बारे में सुना तो हमें यहाँ पे आके काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा लगा करने को। हमने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई और हमें बहुत कुछ आने भी लगा है और हम चाहते हैं कि और अपना अच्छे से सीखें और आगे बढ़ें और अपना बुटीक खोलें। और हम थैंक यू करते हैं एमबी और दीपाली का, जो हमें इतनी हेल्प हमारी कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
हेलो, मेरा नाम सुबी है, मैं ब्यूटी कल्चर की स्टूडेंट हूँ। यहाँ आने से पहले मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था। दीपाली को ज्वाइन करने के बाद मेरे को पता चला कि बेसिक के साथ एडवांस कोर्स भी सिखाया जाता है, जो कि मैंने काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पर आने के बाद सीखा और आगे भी मैं इसको फ्यूचर में करना चाहूँगी, इसमें अपना करियर बनाना चाहूँगी ब्यूटी कल्चर में। और थैंक यू दीपाली एंड एमबी।
हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो सर, हेलो मैम। मैं दीपाला से ब्यूटी कल्चर की इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ। मैंने एक साल में बच्चों को का बेसिक से एडवांस बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सिखाई हैं और बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। उन्होंने सीखकर बहुत सारी चीज़ों मतलब थ्रेडिंग, वैक्सिंग, इन सब से उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ अर्न भी करा है। फेशियल, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब वो बताते हैं मेरे को कि हमने अर्न करा है। और ना सिर्फ उन्होंने ब्यूटी कल्चर, यहाँ पे दीपाल्या में आने के बाद उन्होंने सिर्फ ब्यूटी कल्चर ही नहीं बल्कि न्यूट्रिशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, अपने पैरों में कैसे उनको खड़ा होना है, ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने यहाँ पर आकर सीखी। और बच्चों के साथ साथ हमें भी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली। थैंक यू सो मच एमवे, थैंक यू सो मच दीपाल्या, आपने बच्चों को इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी।
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अर्चना है। मैं दीपाल्या में फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग के इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ। फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स 1 ईयर का है, जिसमें 6 मंथ का फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स है और 6 मंथ न्यूट्रिशन और सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का कोर्स है। फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनिंग में बच्चों ने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है, जैसे कि एम्ब्रॉयडरी के न्यू डिज़ाइन, सूट सलवार, नाइट सूट्स, डिज़ाइनर सूट्स, ब्लाउज, लहंगा, शरारा, प्लाजो एक्सेट्रा। इसके अलावा बच्चों के ऑनलाइन सेशन भी हुए, जिसमें उन्होंने पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग के बारे में सीखा और कैसे इंटरव्यू दिया जाता है ये सीखा और कस्टमर को कैसे हैंडल किया जाता है, कैसे बातचीत किया जाता है, ये सब बच्चों ने सीखा। इसके अलावा मैंने और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने मिलकर भारी संख्या में मास्क और पाउच बनाए, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। और मैं एमबे और दीपाल्या को थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमारा सहयोग किया।
Good afternoon all. I am a teacher of fashion designing in Dipalya. I would like to thank Amway and Dipalya who take out some time and grace the occasion, and thanks Amway for providing us this opportunity and helping women to become self-reliant. I would thanks all those who has contributed a lot of this project to make it a success. I hope ये प्रोजेक्ट काफ़ी लंबा जाएगा, क्योंकि इससे उन वुमेंस को काफ़ी मदद मिल रही है जो फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से अपने पैरों पे नहीं खड़ी हो पाती हैं, जो महंगे महंगे कोर्स होते हैं वो नहीं कर पाती हैं। इस प्रोजेक्ट की वजह से उनको काफ़ी हेल्प मिल रही है आत्मनिर्भर होने की, खुद पैसे कमाने की, अपना खर्चा खुद करने की। एंड आई वॉन्ट टू थैंक्स एमवे अगेन फॉर स्टार्टिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट। थैंक यू सो मच।
Wow, the students and teachers have really opened their heart. And yes, we will certainly want this project to continue, and we will continue to serve the underserved in line with the vision of our organization. Thank you everyone for those beautiful and wonderful messages. Behind the success of every project, there are people who work behind the scenes. They are hardly visible to the general public. Amway has been actively encouraging its business associates and distributors throughout the year to volunteer for the project. The virtual world has actually created an easy space for such initiatives. We have with us our special guests, Amway Direct Seller Leaders, this is Rashmi, and Mr. Sushil Pachnanda, and Mr. Latricia Trice, Senior Corporate Citizenship Specialist Empowerment, Amway Corporate Social Responsibility, Amway Corporation US. Let's hear from them. Over to you, Ravi. Please connect us with them.
हेलो एवरीवन एंड बहुत बहुत आप लोग को बधाई कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर गेटिंग योर सर्टिफिकेट्स टुडे वी आर सो प्राउड ईच वन ऑफ यू कि आप लोगों ने इस कोर्स को पूरा किया और सीखा एंड थैंक यू टू एमवे फॉर एक्चुअली ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज़ है कि हम आज की विमेन को, आज की नारी को अगर हम उनको तैयार कर सकें कल के लिए, क्योंकि जो भी है विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बढ़ भी रही है और विमेन अचीवर्स भी बढ़ रहे हैं और आप बिल्कुल कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। तो बड़ा सोचें और अपनी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट पे हमेशा ख्याल रखें, अपने आप को ग्रो करते रहें। एंड मुझे मालूम है इस सब नॉलेज के साथ या तो कुछ आप अपना शुरू करेंगे और या कहीं जॉब करेंगे। वॉट एवर यू डू, वी रियली विश यू लॉट्स ऑफ सक्सेस एंड अ ग्रेट लाइफ अहेड। पर हमेशा सेफ रहें, हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें और प्रोटेक्टेड रहें। एंड वी रियली विश यू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सक्सेस टुडे। सो रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू for achieving what you've done.
Dear friends, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको ये कोर्स कंप्लीट करने की। यहाँ पर जो चीज़ें आपने सीखी हैं अपने नोट्स में उनको बार बार देखिएगा, याद करते रहिएगा, क्योंकि ह्यूमन माइंड जल्दी भूल जाता है चीज़ें, और जब भी आप उन चीज़ों को दोबारा पढ़ेंगी वो आपके काम आएंगी। काम की दुनिया में और व्यवसाय की दुनिया में कौन किस तरह पेश आता है, कौन किस तरह लोगों से डील करता है, कौन किस तरह लगता है, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत बहुत मायने रखती हैं। और उस दुनिया में कदम रखने से पहले आपको बड़े अच्छे से तैयार किया गया है। आप में खूब कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए। काम और व्यवसाय की दुनिया में सर्वगुण संपन्न रहें आप, और हमेशा सीखने की लालसा आप में होनी ही चाहिए। हम लोगों ने भी जो कुछ जिंदगी में पाया है, सीख कर ही हम आगे बढ़े हैं। और ये सीखने की जो लालसा आप में है ये रहनी चाहिए। बड़ा सोचें और आगे बढ़ें और सर्वगुण संपन्न रहें काम की दुनिया में। आगे चल के अपने परिवारों की बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करें। नारी शक्ति बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है हम सब के लिए, देश के लिए, आपके परिवारों के लिए। हमारी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा हमेशा आपके साथ। थैंक यू एमवे इंडिया, थैंक यू दीपाले।
Thank you.
Congratulations. My name is Latricia Trice, and I'm the Global CSR Lead for Empowerment Initiatives, and I am so honored to be here today virtually. You all are an inspiration to me. I know that it has been an incredibly difficult year, and I'm sure you had to make many personal sacrifices to be a part of the Livelihood Skills program. But you stayed the course. And your hard work, dedication, and perseverance is worth celebrating today. You took the year to invest in yourself and your future. And not only that, your hard work will impact everyone around you. At Amway, we're on a mission to be the change for a better world. And you exemplify Amway's belief that empowered women improve their communities, advance the economy, and strengthen their families. I am more convinced than ever that the future is brighter because of women like you who are leading the way. On behalf of the Amway Global team, congratulations again. We look forward to seeing where you go from here with being agents of positive change for yourselves, your communities, and your family. Take care.
Thank you, Mrs. Rashmi and Mr. Sushil Pachnanda. You have logged in from Australia for this event, and we are really grateful to you. Our students and instructors were really lucky to have you as a resource person. The message conveys how connected you were with all of them. I'm sure you will continue to conduct these special sessions for the next batch as well. People like you are a real inspiration for many of us who wish to give back to society. Thank you, Ms. Latricia Trice. It was a pleasure to connect with you. You've actually proved that distance does not matter when it comes to doing good. We feel privileged to be part of this amazing initiative. And yes, world is soon going to be ruled only by women. Thank you so much. I have met many amazing leaders during my career. One of them is Mr. Uday Shankar, the Chief Controller of Vishwa Yoga Kendra. Besides heading Vishwa Yoga Kendra, our certifying partner, Mr. Shankar, is the country convener of Freshwater Action Network of South Asia. I would request Udayji to please speak a few words to encourage our students.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जसवंत जी। सर्वप्रथम मैं एमबे टीम और दीपालिया टीम दोनों को तहे तहे दिल से विश्व केंद्र की तरफ से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। शुक्रगुजार हूं कि आपने इतने अच्छे ढंग से आपने इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को कंडक्ट कराया। इसके पीछे बहुत आभार और सादर सादर नमस्कार। डॉक्टर जॉर्ज जॉन साहब ने इतनी अच्छा उद्बोधन दिया जिसके और अभी जो हमारे इतने अच्छे संदेश बाहर से आए, इसको सुनकर मैं गदगद हूं। आज के मुख्य अतिथि राजेश्वर राव साहब हैं, जिनको सुनने के लिए हम लोग सभी लालायित हैं और अभिभूत हैं। हम उनको सुनेंगे। मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लेता हूं, केवल इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि आपने जो इस अभियान में अपना योगदान दिया, इससे आपने सिद्ध कर दिया कि नारी तुम कोमल हो कमजोर नहीं। ये जो बहुत प्रसिद्ध संगीत है, गीत है, इसको मुकाम पर लाया और इसको आपने कर दिखाया। मैं सिर्फ इतना अपने पार्टिसिपेंट जिन्होंने सीखा है उनको कहना चाहता हूं कि आत्मनिर्भरता, अगर कहा जाए कि पूरे जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा श्रृंगार क्या है तो वो आत्मनिर्भरता है, क्योंकि उसके बाद व्यक्ति में अपने आप आत्मविश्वास जागृत होती है। उसमें अपने चलने, बोलने, बैठने सारे तरीके तब्दील हो जाते हैं। क्योंकि हम कितना भी काम करें, लेकिन अगर हमने अपने आप में आत्मनिर्भरता बहाल किया, इससे अच्छा कोई सुकून का वस्तु नहीं होता है। सभी बहनों को मैं दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि आपने इतने अच्छे प्रशिक्षण शिविर को लिया। कुछ आप में से एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनेंगे, कुछ आप में से अलग अलग जगह जॉब कर रहे हैं, कुछ जॉब करेंगे, और मुझे आशा ही नहीं पूर्ण विश्वास है कि यू विल बी द रोल मॉडल। और आप जो रोल मॉडल होंगे उसी को देखकर अन्य हमारे साथी, अभी एमबे को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि उन्होंने 400 और स्टूडेंट्स को इसे सिखाने का उन्होंने अभियान दिया है जसवंत जी के नेतृत्व में। और हमारे साथी रजत जी हमेशा कहते हैं कि यदि हम सॉफ्ट स्किल नहीं देते हैं तो शायद हम व्यक्ति को उतना परिपक्व नहीं बना पाते हैं। हमारी पूरी कोशिश विश्व केंद्र टीम की तरफ से रहेगी कि जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग दे सकें, उतना हम सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग देने की कोशिश करेंगे। मार्केट में वैल्यू क्रिएट हो, आप एक ब्रांड क्रिएट करें और आप हमारे रोल मॉडल के रूप में प्रस्तुत हों। एक चीज केवल मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये जिंदगी सीखने सिखाने का है। आपने जितना सीखा है अपने कम्युनिटी को प्रेरित करें, ताकि दीपालिया जो कि ग्रास रूट लेवल पर देश के जाने माने संस्थाओं में से अग्रणी भूमिका निभाती है, वो आपके साथ मिलकर और अच्छा से अच्छा कार्य करें और एमबे जैसे कॉर्पोरेट इसमें सहयोग दें और अन्य जगह भी इस तरह के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स हो, जिससे कि हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत का निर्माण कर सकें। दो पंक्ति मैं आप सभी को समर्पित करते हुए अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। मैंने सभी महानुभावों का नाम नहीं लिया। राजनारायण जी अभी स्क्रीन पर दिख रहे हैं। आपके बारे में हमेशा जसवंत जी बताएं कि यू आर द पर्सन who has developed the module, who has done so wonderful job। आपके पूरे टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई। मैं अपने सभी प्रशिक्षणार्थियों को केवल ये पंक्ति समर्पित कर रहा हूं। यह हमारे तीनों संस्थान की तरफ से है, दीपालिया की तरफ से, एमबे की तरफ से और विश्व केंद्र की तरफ से, कि देख लेंगे हम अंधेरे की ताकत कल सुबह। आपने ये जो सिद्ध करके दिखाया उसी पर मैं समर्पित कर रहा हूं कि देख लेंगे हम अंधेरे की ताकत कल सुबह, हौसलों के सूरज को सागर से आने तो दो। देख लेंगे हम अंधेरे की ताकत कल सुबह, हौसलों के सूरज को सागर से आने तो दो। मुद्दतों से सोच अपने बंद कमरों में कैद है, मुद्दतों से सोच अपने बंद कमरों में कैद है। खिड़कियां खोलो जरा ताजा हवा आने तो दो। आपने ये ताजा हवा लाया है। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड विशिंग ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर हैप्पी हेल्दी एंड प्लीजेंट लाइफ। हमें दो शब्द रखने के लिए जो सौभाग्य दिया जसवंत जी ने, इसके लिए हम एमबे टीम और दीपालिया टीम को तहे तहे दिल से हम सभी शुक्रगुजार हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय जगत।
Thank you, Udayji. Thank you for the beautiful words and that poem. Poem सुनते ही हमारे रोंगटे जो है वो खड़े हो गए। I must mention. I must also tell that When we approached Vishwa Yuva Kendra for certification, they welcomed the initiative readily. They met our students and they also conducted a few workshops with them. The platform also helped them in establishing a contact with women who face similar challenges and are now successful entrepreneurs. We are blessed to have Vishwa Yuva Kendra as our certifying partner. Moving on, we have a small exhibition of products made by our students and glimpses from the project. The courses have helped them in donning a completely new look. Let's have a look at it. Over to you, Ravi. Please show us the video. Thank you, Ravi. The before and the after looks say it all. I would like to mention that Amway India gave an opportunity to the students to showcase their products to the partners and direct selling associates. Around Diwali, when lockdown was lifted, the the students prepared beautiful pouches, masks, and stoles for their Amway supporters. The initiative was led by Mr. Raj Narayan from Amway. Thank you, Mr. Narayan and Amway, for giving the students this platform. Time has now come for the much awaited part of this event, when our students will be awarded with the certificates of completion. Not only this, Amway supported 10 extraordinary performers with startup kits containing swing machines, makeup kits, etc. Let's have a look at them. Over to you, Ravi. Thank you so much, Ravi. She has a beautiful smile on her face. You can feel the warmth she spreads when you meet her. I'm sure our students who visited Taj last year to meet Amway Global CEO, Mr. Milind Pant, would still remember the interaction they had with Ms. Simrit Bishnoi, the Vice President, Corporate Communications, Content Marketing and Communications, Social and CSR Amway India. Communication professional with more than 17 years of experience across industries, Ms. Bishnoi has been associated with Amway since 2017. She has been instrumental in conceptualizing social impact initiatives that demonstrate shared value, impact on environment, and align with the UN Sustainability Development Goals. I would now request Ms. Simrit Bishnoi to please speak a few words and motivate our students. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jaswant ma'am. I can't tell you, I'm so pleased to see the video and far the girls have come. So a very good afternoon. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here with you all today. And at the outset, I would definitely like to start by mentioning that we are grateful to Shri K. Rao, Senior Advisor, Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister for being part of this event today. It's such an honor, sir. I'd also like to thank my fellow speakers, Dr. George John, Jaswant ma'am, and Ms. Chaudhary from Nepalya, and Mr. Shankar from Vishwa Yuvak Kendra, and our Amway distributors, Mrs. Rashmi and Sushil Pashananda, who've been passionately been part of our entire journey, and all the students who are part of this ceremony today. So students, it's a pleasure to connect with you all again. And I do remember that, we had met last year in March, and at that time you were just about to begin your training session. And I remember talking to each one of you and share your enthusiasm, confidence, your vision. There was so much excitement and, to become an entrepreneur and starting a job. We assure you that at Amway, we've always believed that in the potential of women, and we have been consistently working towards their empowerment. And in line with our belief system, and as part of also the government's Skill India initiative, which aligns well with our CSR imperatives, we initiated this livelihood skills program for all the underprivileged girls and women in association with a strong NGO partner, Dipalya, back in March 2020. So at that time, when we started with this vision and we met these girls, we felt even more confident that, we are going to really give the wings to these girls. And we felt so proud to be part of the journey. And it's really heartening to see 100% success rates of our students. And given the fact that last year was not a year like any other, and we are so happy that you still managed to put in more than 1,200 hours of learning and studying. And this is a big achievement. I must applaud all of you and the most promising students, especially who've done exceptionally well during the training period, and teachers who passionately worked during these times when there was virtual and less of physical, and how you guys all pulled it together. We are so proud of you. So along with this certificate, we are also rewarding these students with a starter kit, as Jaswant ma'am also shared, which contains some equipment such as sewing machine, beauty tools, and it'll just help you get started. So now with the successful completion of the first phase, we are even more confident and we are even more focused on taking this program to the next level. And we definitely are looking to expand it to 400 new girls in the Delhi and Haryana, and also scale it to newer heights across geographies to more than 3,000 or 4,000 women who become entrepreneurs. Once again, we thank our NGO partners and our direct sellers who've been part of our journey for the continued support. I must also acknowledge my team's effort and their thoughtfulness, Raj, Anita, who've been actually working very closely with Jaswant ma'am and understanding the students' needs and customizing and designing the program accordingly. And at Amway will continue our endeavor to make a meaningful difference in the lives of these women in line with our company's vision, which is helping people live better and healthier lives. So with this, I would like to just conclude by wishing the students all the very best for the future. You've done it, girls, and the journey is just begun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Yes, the journey has just begun. They will soon be entrepreneurs and they will soon have a lot of money in their hands. And thank you so much for the words. It made a lot for all of us. I'm sure everyone who worked on this project will be feeling so proud of our association. Our students and instructors would have felt so happy listening to you. Yes, we'll do our best to serve these 400 new women who will soon be joining this project. We are now moving towards a very important part of our event. We have amongst us Mr. K. Rajeshwara Rao, Principal Advisor, Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. He is our chief guest today. An engineering graduate, Mr. Rao has worked in various capacities with the Government of India. Before joining the Economic Advisory Council, Mr. Rao worked in Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board, Oil Coordination Committee, Petroleum Planning and Analysis Cell in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He was posted in the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board even before the board came into existence and played a very crucial role in establishing it, framing several regulations, and finalizing the process of grant of authorization. As the principal advisor in the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, Mr. Rajeshwara Rao has been dealing with divergent subjects related to beekeeping development, blue economy, energy, labor, logistics, insurance, etc. So we are honored to have you with us today. I would now request you to kindly address the audience and inaugurate the project expansion. Our students and our guests are eager to hear from you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Jaswant. Dear Dr. George John, of course, Ms. Jaswant Kaur, Mrs. Rashmi and Mr. Sushil Achananda, I think as you said, they have joined from Australia. I do not know whether they are still online or not. And Ms. Latricia Trice, she also must have joined from abroad. Mr. Uday Shankar, Ms. Simrat Bishnoi, and Ms. Tanushree Rai Chaudhary, the students and teachers of the Project Hope, and all the other ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be part of you today in this program, and especially it really enthused me to see the exhibition what you have showed on screen, and also to hear the experiences of your teachers and the students. I must compliment and congratulate Deepalaya for taking this great initiative of Project Hope in collaboration with MWay, basically to empower women and girls by skilling them in the sought after trades like beauty, wellness, and fashion designing. As everybody knows, that training improves self-confidence and make women financially independent, which is very much required. As one of the previous speakers, Uday Shankar, I think, has mentioned, it gives Atmanirbharata, that is self-reliance, which is most important during these days for especially the woman. Once the woman gets that self-reliance, and that will boost the economy, and first it will boost the morale in the family, their economic status in the family, and ultimately it result into the self-reliance of the country to whatever extent it may be. Maybe negligible in the beginning, but if it becomes like an hesitation or it becomes like some kind of revolution, so that is woman empowerment, will help the country's economy also. I am glad to know that some of the women started earning even before completion of the course, which indicates that the project is a successful venture towards achieving employment even during the current COVID-19 pandemic times. I am also glad to know that Deepalaya intends to expand this project to include more women in Delhi and Sohna during this current year of 2021. In fact, I must tell you that even though my introducer, the subjects what I am dealing with in the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. But we also look into the women empowerment. That is, we actually coordinate with the Health Ministry, is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare basically, in which we also at times get into this topic of women empowerment, how to improve and how to frame the schemes and policies like that. I would like to congratulate all the girls who have completed the courses and obtained the certificates. I think as I'm told that about 100 people, 100 girls have passed out and got this certificate. And I wish them they will be able to use this, whatever they learned in this during this course, and put them into practice, all of them. As I said, some of you have already started earning even before completion of the course by utilizing the skills what they have been taught in this project home. But I wish all those girls who have qualified, they all will get an opportunity to live for themselves and utilize these skills for the benefit of themselves, their family, their dependents, and as a whole. Without taking much time, because I am also in a hurry actually, I joined late because I was in a meeting. When Dr. John called me to remind whether I joined or not, I was in a midst of meeting. I thought it was not 2:30, but then thank you, Dr. George, for reminding me. I had to come back and join this meeting and waiting for my turn to address you people. And I'll have to leave for another meeting. Already calls started coming because I told them 3:30 I'll be coming. So it is now 3:30. So without wasting much of time, I would like to announce the inauguration of livelihood skills and enhancement project of this home, and there will be a video which will be shown now. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the encouraging words and inaugurating the expansion of our skill and livelihood development program to SONA. Thank you so much, Rajeshwara sir. I'm sure with your blessings, we'll be able to bring about a sustainable change in the lives of women in Haryana as well. With the joining of Dr. George John and Ms. Anita Rao as Senior Manager Corporate Communication and CSR in MV India, we'll certainly be able to provide our services more effectively. We do have a new leadership joining in and with a new vision, with a new direction. Thank you so much, sir. We now have come to the conclusion of this program. I would now request Ms. Tanushree Roy Chaudhary, who looks after the entire project at Sanjay Colony, to please deliver the vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon to all present. On behalf of entire Dipalia team and myself, I extend a warm-hearted vote of thanks to all our distinguished guests who have graced this occasion today with their presence. I would like to thank Honorable Chief Guest, respected K.K. Rajeshwar Rawji, Senior Advisor, Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, who took out time from his busy schedule to join us today. We are certain that your words will not only be a blessing but also act as a pathfinder for each of us. I would like to thank Mr. Uday Shankar, Chief Operating Officer, Vishwa Yuva Kendra, who is our certification partner and who will always be an inspiration for all of us. A hearty thanks to Mr. Rajat Thomas, the Vishwa Yuva Kendra, for his guidance and support to our students. I would like to thank Mrs. Simrat Vishnoi, Vice President, Corporate Communication, Content Marketing and Communication, Social and CSR MV India Enterprises Private Limited, for always supporting us and encouraging our students and the entire Dipalia team. And special thanks to Ma'am was always making us feel special when you are around. I would like to thank Mrs. Latricia Trice, Senior Corporate Citizenship Specialist, who is always there to encourage us, be it during online sessions or during the certification programs such as this one. A special note of thanks to Rashmi ji and Sushil Pachnanda ji, Amway Direct Seller Leader, for being a mentor and guide to all our students. Both of you with your rich experiences have immensely guided and helped our students to become self-reliant. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks to Mrs. Anita Rao, Senior Manager Corporate Communication and CSR Amway, for all your supports and encouragement. Very special thanks to Mr. Raj Narayan, Manager Corporate Social Responsibility Amway. Raj Narayan ji and Mrs. Jaswant Kaur are the two pioneers who conceptualized the project, worked on every nuance of the project, right from inception to graduation. It is truly their effort which are showing results. Also, I would like to thank Mrs. Kaveri Singh, Mr. Jignesh Mehta, Mrs. Paulami Bhattacharya, and entire Amway team for all their supports and encouragement. I would like to thank Dr. George John, Chief Executive Director of Dipalaya. Sir, it is under your able leadership that we are and will always be able to enlighten many such lives. Thanks to Mrs. Jaswant Kaur, Executive Director of Dipalaya, who has always been our pillar of strength. You have guided us and led us through all thicks and thins. I would like to thank Ravi Pahuja, Digital Marketing Officer of Dipalaya, for his tireless effort to make this program a success. I also thank Himanshu Anand. We can't even think a program without his soulful and melodious sound. I am thankful to entire Dipalaya team for their support. A special thanks to all our teachers without whom this project wouldn't have taken off and become a success. Last but not the least, our students. A very special vote of thanks to them, as without them this project would never be materialized. I would once again thanks everyone present here for making this event a huge success. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Tanushree ji. Thank you so much. Before we end this program, I would request everyone to please put on your videos for a small photograph. Ravi, I'm sure you will be clicking a picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can put your own video as well. Yeah.
It's great. So I must congratulate Team Amway and Team Dipalaya. It's wonderful and so amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Is it done, Ravi?
Yes, ma'am, it is done.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Time has now come to bid adieu. We'll come back soon with another exciting event. Till then, please stay tuned to our social media channels. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. You can also visit our website, www.dipalaya.org, for more information on our projects. And yes, please don't forget to use your Suraksha Kavach, your mask, when you are going out. Stay safe and stay protected. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful evening.